Basil TV.
She's never gonna figure it out, is she? And the day before she worked around it forever. Is it the concert that I booked this entire trip for? What? I'm never going to be able to go. I'm at the concert.
Good evening, folks. We have Bruce fans out there.